Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm participating in the monthly card share with Paige and Peggy here on YouTube. So every month we'll have a different theme to our cards, and then at the end of the month we'll be creating Christmas cards. So this month's theme is Valentine's Day. These are the first two cards that I created. My card base is the Recollections value pack that you can get from Michael's, and it's just white cardstock. For this background piece, I used a piece of 6x6 paper from this Authentique paper pad, and I got this from Tuesday Morning. The number on this is 1896840. And on the edge of this paper, I just used this edge punch that I got from Tuesday Morning. I used this paper doily that I got in a swap. I also got this love die cut in a swap. And then this little piece here is a cutout from the Simple Story single sheet. It's called Romance, and the number on it is 9410. I have a scrapbook.com haul that I got this paper in, and I'll be sure to link it below because I don't have any more of it. These three little hearts I cut using this die set here, and I used the medium size heart. And the paper is from this Christmas flip side 12x12 paper pad, and I got that from Joann's. My second card, I used another one of the cutouts. I got this quilt flower from Hobby Lobby. Some more of the stitched hearts. I got this die cut heart in a swap, and I also got this one in a swap. And then this love is cut using this die here. And the paper is this poster board that you can get from Hobby Lobby. This next card that I created measures about 4 1/4 by 5. I used paper from this 12x12 paper. It's Project Life. It's Strawberry Edition. I got it from Tuesday Morning, and the number is 1770443. I have a piece of lace going across the top. I used this stitched heart that I got in a swap. This little glittery pink heart on the top is from this confetti pack that I got from Walmart, and there's 28 pieces in here, and they come in red and pink. It was 98 cents. And then I stamped some pink hearts on the paper using this Lawn Fawn set, and it's called Be Mine. And the number on it is LF439. And then I stamped Happy Heart Day on one of the stitched hearts, and that comes from this Lawn Fawn set here, and this is called Conversation Hearts 1553. And the bottom of this I got using this little frame die here, and I just put it on the bottom and ran it through my cutter bug, and it comes in a 5-piece set. This next set of Valentine cards I'll be donating to the children at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. I got the information from Christy Gets Crafty here on YouTube, where she talks about the program. So these are the 3 of the cards that I'll be donating. I actually made 4. I used these nesting circles here. I used the smaller 2. I used this Lawn Fawn Be Mine stamp set. I also used this Lawn Fawn set, and this is the Conversation add-on heart, or Conversation heart add-ons. I also used this Sweet Friends, and this is also by Lawn Fawn, LF1551. I used the Your Next stamp set, and this one is Love and Smiles, CYNS165. And then I used the Mama Elephant stamp set, and this is SC0767. And then I used paper from that Christmas flip side stack again. These cards are cut at 4 1/4 by 5. And this is the inside of that one. Here's the second one. And then the third one. So I stamped and fussy cut the images. I colored them using my chameleon markers, and these are the color tones, and this is from the Primary Colors. I took the smaller circle die and cut it in the red cardstock, and then I did the smaller and the larger to get this outer circle. This is the negative from the smaller die set. I just stamped Happy Heart Day on that one. I have the stitched hearts and the little bumblebee, and then I just glued the little animals inside of there. This little stamp here that says Happy Valentine's Day is one of these little block stamps that you get in that little plastic container set from Michaels. And what she said is actually in the Hampton Arts stamp set. And that's the back. That's how I glued them on. So I have the bottom of them on the inside of the circle and then the ears on the outside. And I just took it and adhered it to my card base. And then on the inside I stamped, some of them say Happy Valentine's Day and some say Happy Valentine's Day. And I just stamped the ice cream guy in there and colored him. And then I colored one of these hearts from the little bee set and just glued it on there. And these are the cards that I'll be sending to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. I might be doing a few more if I have time, but there's a deadline. They do have to be to the point of contact by the 31st of January so they can filter through the cards and package them up to send out. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. So to make the envelope, you start off with a piece of cardstock that's 9.5 by 10.5. On the 9.5 inch side, you score at 1 and at 7.5. And then on the 10.5 side, you score at 2 3/8 and 7 1/8. And then you fold on all your score lines. The next thing you want to do is cut off the 4 squares, so you'll end up with something like this. So these are the 4 squares that you want to cut, and if you can see down here on the bottom, I kind of angled this one so it'll close better, and then I angled these up a little. I rounded my corners using my envelope punch board. And then the larger side will go in and the smaller one will go on top. And to get this little angled piece right here to make it easier to get the envelope out, what I did was use my center and a ruler, and I just drew a line up to the edge on both sides. And then on the longer flap, I just went straight across with my line. And then where this line starts to go straight, you start your adhesive here, go all the way down, and you also put your adhesive here, and it'll close like this. And this will be the finished product. And this will fit a card approximately 4 1/4 by 5 1/2.